Their support keeps the hospital running. We don't have a choice. Medicine is all about this sort of thing. Now go inform the patient's parents.
What do I say?
Oscar, the birdie. Bird. You want this?
He'll think of something.
You want me to close it?
He's your patient.
Hey, what's up, Doc? Aw, kisses. Look at, I got some nice water. Is that my water? Do you want some? What was that? You want some? Yeah. You want some of that?
Well,
You want some water?
even if you got the transplant last week, there was a chance he wasn't going to make it.
What are you doing? What's that noise? That's new.
This isn't my fault.
That's the one he makes when it's like a hairball,
Deals aren't enough to
coughing up a hairball.
That's different. I haven't heard him do it. You want your water?
That's
Are you
clear.
upside down? Yeah, cute bird.
I'm not gonna carry you
Cute
with me, sir.
bird. Aw. Hey,
This
are
is
you upside down? What are you doing upside down, Oscar? Hey, aren't you supposed to spin the other way? What are you doing? Ooh, ooh, ooh. You want me to close it? Or are you gonna close it? You know how to close it. You know the tricks? Close the dish. Close the dish. Here we go. Watch the nails. Good bird. Mwah. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Ooh. Ooh.
So,
Ooh.
take care of it.
Ooh.
Sir.
Ooh. 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 I like that he does that. You're a very good bird. Have a kiss.
How
Have
fascinating.
a kiss. I love you.
Perhaps I was brought to this
I will
place
come see you in a bit.
so I can play this game with you. I'm going to choose 100.
I don't
Why
know.
would you say that?
He had to go.
Just giving you some help.
Are you mad?
Yeah, he had to go.
You can't just tell me what you'll choose.
You're a funny
Unless I
guy.
select 0 this round. You've guaranteed your death.